TLT basically unchanged. Again, we need to have that conversation today, guys, on how rates and bonds correlate to the stock market, because this is exactly what this TLT position is all about. So we will have that convo later this morning. And then also, Jake, the move just happened right this second, man. Hang in there. Hang in there. It's not killing you. We will also have a conversation this morning on the Thinkorswim platform on how to use that to make vol adjustments. All right. All right, let me get things all updated on the board here, and I will be back momentarily. Thanks, everybody.